Wait, and this is your car?
Yes.
All of you?
Yes.
Don't touch my car, please. You know what is this? Excuse me, what do you do for a living?
I'm a dancer.
You are a dancer, and this is your car?
Yeah, of course.
Oh, it's my dream. Don't touch my car, please. Excuse me, this is your car?
Yes.
You can start the engine, please.
Yes.
You can start? Don't touch my car, please. Don't touch my car, please. What are you doing? Don't touch my car, honey.